The mailman brought it to you?
I like this mailman package.
Okay, I'm gonna let Daddy open it.
This is the mailman package.
Yeah, the mailman brought it.
Yeah. I like the mailman.
You do? What if it's a mail lady? Usually it's a mail lady.
I like the mail lady.
You do? Especially when she brings you something?
Yeah.
I like it when she brings me something too. Money. Alright, dig in, my friend. Oh, there's something in there. Oh, Marley, look. Marley, look. Hold on. Look. It's an apron. Look what's in the pocket.
Money.
Wow, that's a big old wad of bills you're going to have to give to Daddy.
Bills.
Lots of bills. Oh, look what this is, though. Hold on. It's a chef's hat. So you can cook your food. I don't know if it's big enough for your old head. Yeah, keep digging. My God, Marley, you've got the...
More M&Ms, Mom?
That is on the biggest it can be.
More M&Ms?
More M&Ms.
More M&Ms. More M&Ms, Mom.
Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, a cooking pot for your kitchen.
Let Marley open them.
Another cooking pot. You can cook spaghetti in those.
What else you got in there?
Looks like another cooking pot.
Yes.
Yes.
I like it.
You know what this is?
It's like a cooking pot. Is it
A skillet. You know what this is? Can you tell? Yes.
Yeah.
Baby crack. And what's this? Hey, chef. Animal crackers. And oh, that was a good package, huh?
Is it a bag?
Yeah, a bag.
What's in here?
That's your package. Just nothing in this bag. It's just to keep from sneaking out on you. That's a good gift for being a good pee-pee girl.
I like to eat those and you want to open them?
You want some of these?
Yeah.
Goldfish? Okay.
Tell Nanny thank you.
And Poppy.
And Poppy, thank you.
Thank you.
And tell her I'll fill up another chart.
I feel like I'll never shower.
Give her a
Already
kiss.
started on it.
Mama.